because I'm from village, so I'm trying to improve my confidence.
Okay.
Also, I'm trying to improve my
Communication skills.
communication skills. So I think there is also important communication skill. So please don't judge me, यार. If I will speak
गलत
wrong
भी
English,
बोल रहे हैं तो माफ कर दो.
yeah, so गलत भी बोलना तो माफ कर देना, because you are good at
No,
English.
you are learning, no, with confidence. That's
Yeah.
good.
So hello and welcome in my new video. My name is Ajay. Today I met with a person. They are coming from Chennai.
Aha.
So, sir, what's your name, sir?
Surya.
Surya, what's your name, sir?
Dr. Nandar.
What is your name, ma'am?
Mahalakshmi.
Malakshmi. Where are you from? Chennai.
Chennai,
Yeah.
So
Tamil Nadu.
this is your first time
Correct.
in Badrinath.
Yes. What's your name, sir?
My name is Ajay.
Ajay.
Mm.
Who are ruling that thing?
Katuri dynasty. The dynasty. Katuri
Okay,
dynasty.
God. The God name here? God name here?
and Shiva.
Main priest?
God, Lord Shiva, Lord Parvati,
Parvati.
Lord Ganesha. There are also, but there is a big temple, big statue of Lord Parvati inside of the temple. But there is no zone of capturing the videos because I am making video outside. So please
Doing first of all.
I am doing BSc. This
BSc.
college I am doing. So I am
lovely.
not much that much good, but I am trying to improve my confidence.
Yeah, you can make it. As long as you talk frequently, automatically you will build up.
Because we you know, in Uttarakhand what happens, we are from village, so they are also our local language, Kumaoni, Gadwali, also Hindi. Even though we sometimes we try to speak in our local language, like you are talking in your
Tamil,
local
yeah.
language, so I'm not able to understand that.
Correct.
Also, you don't understand my local language,
Yes.
but I'm trying.
Good.
So,
They understand.
so I can roam with you, that I can explain and I can talk to. That some blog can be continued.
Yeah, definitely sure. He will get in touch with some people who can ask question about this temple from there on phone. Just you can explain them. They can take a note, because I am not much clever about these history things which I don't know, because I am from totally
yeah.
different line.
I can understand.
But he has 100 questions. Okay, but I cannot take him and then I cannot ask you and then I cannot reply to you. So if you put some people who know already what question he has to ask, he will ask you directly Hindi or English. You can put them, they can make a note.
Yeah. So I am curious about to know this temple. So also I am learning about lots of things.
No, whatever you know it, simple things.
A little bit, but not that much good about.
Okay,
So I am
okay.
also learning.
Or some
about,
people, those elder people, those who are
Yeah,
here
yeah,
na,
because-
for long.
because we don't have this kind of information when I starting for preparing. So I am preparing for government exam. So we have to the government ask
Okay.
about
You
lots
have
of
to
things.
UPSC.
Not UPSC, state government. So in
Okay.
Uttarakhand. So that's why we have to collect all of the things from here. So we love to know, and
படிக்க சொல்லி இது என்ன சொல்கிறாங்க, பிராமணி எதுக்கு, பிராமணி தேவி யாராக வராங்க, நாராயணன் அண்டு பிராமணி தேவி.
இவனுக்கு தெரியல.
சரி,
அதுதான் உங்களுக்கு நாகரா ஸ்டைலில் படா
yeah, in Nagraj Salis.
நாகரா ஸ்டைல் में.
ஓஹோ,
Because this is Uttarakhand, na, this is called as a Devbhumi, and it has its own heritage. So that's why.
Here also we saw
Yeah, all of the things I'll be telling.
கார்த்திகேயபுரா.
कार्तिकेयपुरा से पेड़
கார்த்திங்கிறது யார்?
Guys, ये लोग अपने लैंग्वेज में बोल रहे हैं, मुझे कुछ समझ नहीं आ रहा. But I'm trying to label my best to understand their English, because you have good English and maybe you will be speaking your English from your childhood. I think
not childhood, okay.
from but
okay.
बढ़िया है यार. But I am
But
learning.
no. Figure but just you can talk.
Yeah.
Then only you will know.
Yeah.
Unless you talk, you will not come to know.
Okay.
We are not English people.
Yeah, because our local, we are from there.
No, we are also same thing.
Yeah.
I was,
But you have good English speaking skill. Yeah, I think
no, because I was working
you are working.
companies.
So where do you work?
I was working in Tamil Nadu, Dubai,
In Dubai, wow,
Bombay.
Bombay.
Yeah.
That's good.
That's why.
That's why you have good command over the English. Also, sir, as you talked about the sir that he has cleared UPSC.
No.
Like what you said.
No, you said you
No, I'm not preparing UPSC. I'm for Uttarakhand government,
Okay.
state government.
Okay.
So before one hour, so we got a snake here. So it was roaming here. So
Okay.
actually it didn't bite anyone, but it was roaming here because this is the land of Shiva, and you know that about Shiva.
Okay.
It's too hot, na?
Okay, 2 hours is okay.
But you are familiar with the hotness because
Yeah,
Tamil
yes,
Nadu,
yeah, correct.
Tamil Nadu is also too hot.
Yes.
Sorry.
No, he's studying.
No, I'm not. I'm also an aspirant of
Studying
Uttarakhand.
college.
Degree studying in degree?
Yeah, I studied.
Which degree?
BSc,
BSc.
Bachelor of Science.
Science.
Yeah, science. So are you comfortable to come in the video?
Yeah, no problem.
Okay. So please tell me about your country, your state. So I want to know about that.
We are from Bangalore, Karnataka.
Yes.
We have come here to go to Adi Kailash and Om Parvat.
Okay.
He is our tour in charge, Mr. Prem Rahul.
So just we are exploring these old temples here because we have 1 day extra for our tour because
This is
Adi
an
Kailash-
additional itinerary, it is not included earlier.
because
How
yeah,
is your experience here to visit
Yeah.
temple?
it's a
Very
good
good.
vibe of this temple
Yeah, all positive energy.
and the
No, no, the old heritage, no. We should keep
Yeah,
that in
we
mind.
should keep the heritage
We
very
are proud of
secure.
our heritage.
We are proud of our heritage. So, do you think that you should? I think that you should go Bageshwar for.
Bageshwar we
Yeah,
are
going.
going.
We are going now.
Actually, I do college from there, so I can tell about the Bageshwar mostly because I am living here last 3 and 4 years. So, me, I live in Kausani.
Sasani.
Kausani. So not in proper Kausani, but apart from the Kausani, it's 10 and 20 kilometers far from there. Because I'm from village, so I'm trying to improve my confidence.
Okay.
Also, I'm trying to improve my
Communication skills.
communication skills. So I think there is also important communication skill. So please don't judge me. If I will speak
गलत
wrong
भी
English,
बोल रहे हैं तो माफ कर दो.
yeah, so गलत ही बोलना तो माफ कर देना. Because you are good at
Now
English.
you are learning, no, with confidence. That's
Yeah,
good.
I think that I will speak good English
We
after
don't
one.
know proper Hindi. You can just communicate, that's all.
Yes.
Comfortable in English.
एक्चुअली आई अज्यूम ना कि अगर मैं आपको बता रहा हूँ आपको समझ
तो
में आ
समझ
जाए
सकते हैं।
बस इतना इतना काफ़ी है इट्स इनफ सो आर यू हस्बैंड वाइफ या
Yes.
ओके हाउ मेनी चिल्ड्रन डू यू हैव
We have to.
वेयर आर दे इन
One is
हियर
in Bangalore, one is in USA.
यूएसए दैट्स गुड यार सर नाइस टू मीट यू सर मैम
Wish you all the best.
थैंक यू
All
सो
the
मच
best.
थैंक यू थैंक यू सर आपसे मिलकर अच्छा लगा
Do well, grow in your career.
थैंक यू सो मच
Okay,
सर
do something important and useful for you, which makes you happy. Do those things.
सो
What is the name of this river?
दिस इज गोमती रिवर
Gomti.
गरु गंगा दिस इज कॉल्ड गरु गंगा गोमती
Ganga.
गरु गंगा गोमती
That Garud Ganga starts there, no sir?
from it come from there.
Even rises further.
अच्छा इसका पार्किंग का और रास्ता कौन सा ऐसे जा सकते हैं लेफ्ट
Do you have vehicle here?
व्हीकल वहाँ पे है
So there is a way. So I want to come. I can. And this is shortcut way to reach on the. This is shortcut way to reach on the road. Shortcut way from there. You are roaming and you want to come.
No, we are,
Where is
car
it?
parking is there, no.
Where is your vehicles there?
Yeah, we want to
So
go.
can we have a group photo that I can make use your photo as a thumbnail? Guys, I am very happy to talk with them. They were very humble. They were very polite. As I told to them that please don't judge me if I will make wrong sentences, if I will speak wrong English, if I will make mistake in making grammatical sentence. So they said me that don't worry, we will not gonna judge you, because if you will get judged, so what happened? They don't know me personally and I don't know them personally, so who cares? To be honest, क्या ही फ़र्क पड़ता है ना. अगर आपको वीडियो अच्छी लगी, प्लीज़ सब्सक्राइब एंड शेयर विथ योर फ्रेंड्स, with your family members. That's why I can make good content for you.